We also have, we send it to the companies where we have tie-ups with several companies, IT companies, where the projects are taken and so on and so forth. Besides that, other companies are also there. तो उनके साथ हमारे tie-ups रहते हैं. We train our students. Now companies आते हैं, वो उसके पहले इनफैक्ट हम लोग सैटरडेज़ को पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट सेशन, ग्रूमिंग सेशन जो पूनम भी कंडक्ट करते हैं बीच बीच में. So we conduct personality development classes, grooming sessions, or interview grooming sessions especially, because now it's the time जो batches खत्म होते हैं. Now these people come into our placement bank, and this is how we put them into the into a group where we send them for their interviews. और campus drive में क्या रहता है, companies यहाँ पर आएंगे, as we have discussed this in the earlier videos also. So we teach them everything related to the soft skills. Technical तो पूरा sound हो ही जाते हैं, but then we have to work little bit on the soft skills because that is what is required. कि आप behave कैसे करें, your attitude, your confidence. So बस जो आपको आता है वही हम आपको सिर्फ बोलते हैं कि you show it in your, the conviction should be there while you speak in front of the companies. So this is what they look, the positive attitude of the candidate, उनको सब आता है like but they should be passionate about about the what they will be doing in the companies. So ये सब चीज़ें देखते हैं companies of course. And then like after the grooming sessions, when companies come, तो वो एक राउंड 2 राउंड ऐसे लेते हैं, हर एक कंपनी लेते हैं on the soft skills and the technical rounds. They have these kind of procedures.
So in fact, Preeti, you remember today we have one query who asked कि हम why should we join CIM?
Yeah. So it was very interesting to talk about us. Sometimes it's very, वो ऐसा हो जाता है ना कि हम बताएं कि क्यों ज्वाइन करें, फिर ऐसा लगता है हम अपनी तारीफ कर रहे हैं, पर जो genuine चीज़ है वो है, the things which are there वो है. So see, we tell them why you should be coming to CIM,